Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, happens when your muscle fibers experience micro tears during resistance training. Your body then repairs these tears, making the muscle fibers thicker and stronger. This adaptation is your body's way of preparing for future stress. But to keep this growth engine running, you can't just do the same workout forever. The key is progressive overload. The commitment to gradually increasing the demand on your muscles over time. This means finding ways to make your workouts harder as you get stronger. You can achieve this in several ways. Step 1. Increase the weight. This is the most intuitive method. Once you can comfortably complete your target number of repetitions with good form, it's time to add a little more weight to the bar or dumbbells for your next workout. Step 2. Increase the repetitions. If you can't immediately add weight, focus on doing more reps with your current weight. If your goal is 10 reps and you hit it easily, aim for 11 or 12 reps next time. Step 3. Increase the sets. Another effective strategy is to add an extra set. If you're doing 3 sets of an exercise, challenge yourself to do 4 sets with the same weight and reps. Step 4. Improve form and range of motion. As you progress, focus on executing each repetition with perfect form and a full range of motion. This ensures you're engaging the target muscle more effectively, which is a form of overload itself. Step 5. Decrease rest times. Gradually reducing the rest period between your sets forces your muscles to work harder with less recovery, stimulating further growth. Consistently applying progressive overload, week after week, is the most scientifically proven method to continuously challenge your muscles and ignite significant muscle growth. Train smart, push your limits safely, and watch your strength and size increase.